Welcome back, Rita here. Buying a condo is a big step, and asking the right questions can save you time, money, and stress. Over the next 7 weeks, I'll help you explore key areas: financial health, rules, maintenance, insurance, community, legal issues, and resale value. A smart buy protects your investment and fits your lifestyle. That's why I'm launching my new 7-part series, Smart Condo Buying, where I'll guide you through everything you need to know before signing that contract. Did you know that neglecting proper due diligence can cost you between 5 to 15% of your investment? Special assessments, ongoing lawsuits, or restrictive rules can turn your dream home into a nightmare. Over the next 7 weeks, we'll explore financial health, HOA rules, maintenance issues, insurance requirements, community dynamics, legal risks, and resale value. I've helped hundreds of first-time buyers avoid these costly mistakes, and now I'm sharing these insights with you. For my complete checklist with over 30 essential questions, visit my Facebook page. New episodes drop every Thursday. Don't forget to like, follow, and share.